Aloha, and welcome to Learn with Lucy. Have you ever wished you could learn more about different topics, but you didn't know where to go? Or perhaps you're retired and you have more time to learn about subjects you've always been curious about. I've been a teacher for over 30 years, mostly here in Hawaii, and I love to share what I know. Learn with Lucy offers courses that are short-term and easily completed on your own time, with no pressure to finish in a specific time frame. You will find courses on world spirituality, varieties of personality, sexuality and gender, and so much more. I invite you to register for a course of your choice as it becomes available, and you might want to start with a course that is appropriate for almost anyone: How to Grow Older with Gusto. You will get to know me through the courses you take from me, and along the way, you will learn much more about yourself. So please, join me for your educational adventures.